So, good evening to all our wonderful champions. We hope, first of all, let me see if at all I am audible or not. Yes, I am perfectly audible, and I think I am perfectly visible as well. So, my dear children, one very important thing, an update. So, I do not know how many of you could actually connect with us for the NEET thing, since we have been working around KCET for long. But please understand that there are other faculties as well who could definitely help you with NEET, and that's exactly why we are launching something totally for free. This is not at all paid. This is the first thing that I want to tell you, that is, it's not paid. It's 110% free, and you can make the best use of it. And I'll tell you how you can make the best use of it. So the NEET crash course which we are going to launch today. Hello Vasant Kumar. I hope, my dear child, you're doing good. Yes. So how you can avail this in the best form is that obviously in YouTube there will be classes, but if at all you want to take benefits of it, you can go check out the link which is given in the description section of this particular video, where you will get a link to this particular site. Okay, there will be a link to this particular site which is there, where, my dear children, the first thing that you have to do is click on buy now. The reason that is buy now option is there because it was supposed to be a paid, but here it is not a paid course, it's completely free. Now, as you can clearly see over here, it's just 0 that has been mentioned over here. Click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, you would have to enter your mobile number and OTP will be coming through, and that's how you will be logging in. Once you log in, it will look something like this. So my courses, and then basically you have to click on continue. So whatever things would be done on YouTube, those things are going to be reflected over here, such that you can go subject by subject and basically make the best use of it. So over here for physics, you can just click on physics, and whatever content are going to be done in the channel, that is going to be reflected over here as well. That is how things are going to work. Similarly, okay, if I go back, I have chemistry, the same thing happens over here. Any test and everything which has been put up over here, that will also be reflected at this particular point, if there are anything that has to be put. Now, one very important thing, and I think something that is going to be, I deleted all my important notes and PDF. Oh my God, that's a sad thing. But thank you, ma'am, waiting for you only, is it? Okay, so listen, children, this is one very important thing. We know how serious you are with your preparation. That is exactly, I'll say that please start off at the earliest, okay? And we are going to bring our classes from tomorrow itself. There will be separate set of teachers for that, and they will be coming live every single day so that they can help you. And we will make sure that whatever is your concern, we take an understanding. We have an understanding of that, and basically we fulfill your requirements in a way. So we are not sticking to one particular plan. Okay, we are open to changes. We will start off with something that I think is beneficial for you, where I was thinking of top 45 questions, okay, because in every question, every paper, every subject, you have 45 questions, right? So per teacher, if at all they bring about some high important chapters and they bring some questions and solve it over here from the base, I think that it will definitely help you. So this is what we were thinking about. Yes, and as I said, make sure that this particular, you get hold of this particular link, and you come over here. This is an in-app thing, and the best part of here is that once you log in and once you do all that thing, you will be able to see something like this, Insta Solve. What is Insta Solve? This is actually an AI tool of Vedantu, okay? So over here, it's like, show me a detailed solution. So whatever you want, you can look, give me the answer key, give me a hint for solving. So whatever picture you are uploading over here, for example, you do not know a question, you can put the question over here and you're going to get the answers for that in this particular thing. So this is an extra thing. And oh, just a second, Deepak, have we put the link of this particular thing in the description? Yes, so there will be a link that will be put up in the description. Okay, our team would be doing that from our end. Make sure you go to that. It's the same thing. That is, whatever videos are going to be published in YouTube, that is going to be reflected over there also. And as I said, if at all you go through that particular link, if at all you log in once, what happens is that you will be able to access this particular thing, as I said, Insta Solve and things like that. Okay. Ma'am, solidly how many days are left for NEET? There is no clarity about that, but we are assuming that at least 30-day gap should be there. Okay, at least 30-day gap, but I'll recommend you that please do not wait for an update from anything. So there are multiple channels doing multiple videos, when will be the exam and things like that. Do not just go in that particular trap. Understand your time is precious. You should not be wasting time, and you should be going ahead and starting off with your preparation. That is more important. Okay, so please do that. Please have that in your head and start. Whatever day it is there, it will be coming anyway, right? Okay, so yes, there is. And also Vaishnavi is asking, applications are reopened. So as I told yesterday also, NTA have told that whoever have registered before, they do not have to do their fresh registration again. Whatever registration is being done, that is okay. But we have no idea whether anyone else who had probably not registered before, are they also allowed for re-registration? That information is not yet given by the NTA, so let's wait for it. Okay, so I do not want to give you wrong information in that aspect. Okay, so ma'am, in KCET I have SATs verified 11, but it's not showing 12th. What should I do? It's not showing 12th, as in SATs verified 11, not 12 is what you mean? Is that what you're meaning? If at all that is your question, my dear child, if 7 years, if you come under clause A and your 7 years are done, it's okay, because here your SATs verified is 11 years, so that is totally fine. Okay, so my dear children, good evening, good evening Ravichandra, good evening. So yes, this is what I had to tell you, and as I said, I'm telling you once again, tomorrow, okay, from tomorrow the classes are going to start. Okay, there will be teachers for you for designated subject. Make sure you attend those classes, make sure you make the best use of it, and according to you, what you want, there are obviously changes that we would be making if at all it is needed. And as of now, do not be stressed about what are the other things that are going to come through. Just focus on what is there with you as of now, and that is the time, and that is very limited time. So give your best. If at all you are someone who probably didn't do well in your previous NEET examination that was done, make sure you make the best opportunity out of it. Okay, Ram, thank you so much. You're most welcome, Ram. Yes. Schedule of the classes, Ministry, we will be coming up with the schedule. The reason I have not taken up right now is that because the teachers have different slots. So we will come up with a solid schedule. Tomorrow's class, we will make sure that we schedule it by tomorrow morning itself. Okay, at least by tomorrow morning, tomorrow's class is going to be scheduled. I hope that is okay. Ma'am, give high topics. Yes, we will be providing you the questions from the high topics itself, high weightage topics itself. Cool. So this is it. Is there any other doubt that you have? Please understand, you do not have to make any payment at any place. I'm telling you again. Okay, this is very, very important. This is how the link looks over here. You just have to click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, it will be appearing 0. Click on buy now, put in your mobile number, verify your OTP, and finally you will be coming up to this particular page, okay, where the course will be there. This is the same thing that is there happening in the YouTube, just that you will have a better clarity in the app, okay. And as I said, any test, if at all it is uploaded, it will be seen over here, and you will also get Insta Solve at the top, okay, where you can ask your doubts. Cool. So that's all. You're most welcome, Manishri, and as well as Vasant Kumar. Yes. So children, I hope that's it. We have done it, right? The video link is there. I mean this. Okay. It's free, Ravichandra. It's totally free. So dear, the first link that you can find over here at the top in the description is this particular link that is given over here. So you can make the best use of it, okay? So please do that, and that's all. When is the classes going to start? Sherlyn, it is going to start by tomorrow. Most probably the first class for tomorrow will be at 4 p.m. This will be the first live class at 4 p.m. Okay, and I'll request you, all of you, to join the WhatsApp channel as well. Again, the link to the WhatsApp channel is in the description section. All the important information about the class and things like that will be shared up there also, so you can have an understanding of it. Okay. Hello, Peace Law Associates and everyone. Yes. Okay. Sri Lakshmi, date of re-NEET is not yet announced. Once it has been announced, we'll let you know, and please not be bothered about it way too much. If at all you wait, if at all you just want to know, okay, at least I'll get an idea about how things works if there are only 10 days left. Don't think like that. Just start off. This is very, very important. Think that NEET examination is going to happen anytime soon. If at all it is happening anytime soon, what will be your first priority? Your first priority will be to complete or basically to revise the high weightage topics out there. Do that. Revise the high weightage topics. Make sure you solve questions out of it. Make sure if at all you have time, solve some mock test and analyze how is the preparation going for that. Cool? Channa Basu, classes are going to start from tomorrow, dear. Yes. And if at all you have anything that is, for example, any specific chapters that you want which are of high priority, you want to put it down in the comment section, make sure after the live end, put it down in the comment section such that teachers can take it up from there also. If at all they also think that it is of high weightage. Yeah? In that class, full chapters will be explained. Ravichandra, full chapters will not be explained. The reason being that you do not know the expected timeline of the re-NEET examination, right? So rather I was thinking that I spoke to the teachers and I said that if at all we could bring about like 45 questions per session, 45 questions, and with certain chapters in mind. Okay, certain chapters will be there and basically questions on the basis of it. If at all we do, it will be really, really good. That is what I was thinking. Yeah? Vishnu PR, ma'am, feeling sad. I get you. I totally get you. But do we not have an option over here? Do we? We do not have. We need to anyway face this particular situation. And you know what? You are much, much stronger than you think you are. You guys are amazing. You put in your hard work for NEET examination. Just think it off as one more examination that you have. Okay, one more examination that you have in front of you, and have the same vigor. I know it's very easy to say and very difficult to adapt to it, but trust me on this, if at all you do well over here, it could definitely help you, right? Yes. So any other things, children? If you have any other queries around it, you can ask me. Okay, so I don't think much queries. Preetham, as I said, we should not be saying any approximate dates. Tentatively, as I said yesterday, we should be assuming that there will be a 30-day gap. Okay, Ravichandra, will it be easy or moderate? It could be somewhere between moderate and tough, between that. Okay, it is not definitely going to be on the tougher side. It's not going to be on the easier side, most probably in the middle somewhere. Yeah. I know that previous NEET examination was easy, but always remember, since the NEET examination was easy, you were expecting a higher cutoff, right? Anyway, the competition was there somewhere. If at all the examination is easy, the cutoff will be on the difficult side. You have to think like that over here. If at all the examination is going to be tough, the cutoff will be on the easier side. You will be able to crack in the easier cutoff. So that is a logic that you have to apply. Do not think too much bad, okay? I know the situation is not that great to be positive, but yes, try to be. Yes, so these are the things that I wanted to tell you guys. And how many of you will be attending the classes from tomorrow? Can I get a heart? Those of you who are going to attend the classes from tomorrow onwards, as I said, it is going to be happening probably at 4 p.m. tomorrow. There will be a live session, not by me, from the other teachers would be there helping you, guiding you throughout. Make sure you are there for those sessions. These are very, very important for you. Okay, so no one is going to attempt the classes, it seems. Ayyo. Okay, Peace Loss gave me the heart, thank you. Ma'am, where is the link? Link is given in the description section. So what you have to do is close the live chat over here and open the description section of this particular video. The first link that you will be able to see is the link for that. NEET Reloaded Crash Course, right? You just have to click on that. Works? Ma'am, I'm weak at chemistry and physics. Now you know that. What do you have to do if at all you know that you are weak somewhere and that also has some good amount of weightage out there, you need to prioritize them. And you also need to revise the things that you're strong at. So don't think that, okay, I'll just focus on the things that I'm weak in, because if at all we forget what we are good at, that is also a problem. So find time slot for revision as well as for finding for trying to, go ahead with something that you have not completed before. Cool? Will you provide some free things? This is something that is totally free, Rekha. This is completely free. And thank you guys for giving heart. So I'm believing that at least few of you will be there for tomorrow's session. Yeah? So I cannot guarantee how many marks you would be improving, but I can surely say you will be improving. Okay? And that depends upon you. Ma'am, biology first PUC. Yes, definitely would be letting them know. Hi Chitu. Hello, 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 hello. Hello Mukunda. Okay. So guys, just for having a revamp of the things that I have told since you have joined late, there is crash course being launched in this particular channel. From tomorrow there will be classes that are going to be starting off. These are totally for free because we understand your situation, right? Now, these classes which are run on YouTube can be availed in a platform, Vedantu platform as well, because once you come to the platform, it will be more easy for you to, get hold of things. Okay, just give me a quick second. For example, this is how the platform looks. You just have to click on buy now, and here it will be 0. Don't pay anything. Just put in your mobile number, verify your details, and then you would be leading to this particular page. Now, every other class which is going to be there on YouTube will be reflected over here under physics, chemistry, or biology, what everything is there. Okay, and also there is a feature that is Insta Solve, where it's basically an AI tool where you can put in your doubts, whether it's in the format of pictures or any doubt, any written doubt, such as I do not know a question. You can put it down there, and basically you will be getting an answer for that. Cool. Ma'am, teachers of chemistry and physics. Chemistry will be mostly handled by Ashwati ma'am, and physics will be mostly handled by Isha ma'am. Okay, and biology will be mostly handled by Meetu ma'am. Cool. So I think that sums up a lot of things. Yeah, and we will end this live. And my dear children, start off. Okay, do not be too late. Do not go around the videos that are circulating in YouTube about what's the next date. Will the exam be tough or easy and things like that. You know what you have to use your time for. Do that. Yeah. So I will not extend this video. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourself. Lots of love. Okay. Bye-bye.